tangible relief for operators when drilling overhead or in horizontal situations. BDS now offer its MAB 455 machine with brand new swivel base system from BDS Maschinen. The brand new MAB 455 SB magnetic core drilling machine from Profi Start category, equipped with swivel base. The swivel base provides 20 degrees left and right and 15 mm backward and forward movement under magnetic conditions. Up to 40 mm diameter core drilling with annular cutters. Drilling up to 55 mm cutting depth. Drilling up to 18 mm with twist drills. Simply better drilling. Equipped with 1150 watt powerful motor, revolutionary complete internal cabling, secure dovetail slide system, provided with quick change drill chuck with Morse tapper 2, new generation oil bath gearbox, magnetic adhesion indicator, safely arranged switches, 2-speed gearbox, perfect internal lubrication, sleek integrated cooling tank, swivel base adjustment feature, robust, powerful and lightweight. The MAB 455 SB magnetic core drilling machine with swivel base. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.